Welcome friends to the 10th episode of the Educative series. This is Ram Kumar. We will now speak about how the world almost lost a day in the year 2000. Many of you may be aware that in the 60s and 70s, the computer revolution started in US and thereafter it slowly traveled to other countries in the world. India witnessed computer revolution in the 70s and 80s and 90s were the decades where the computers was used in large numbers by the companies. Now earlier, because of the restraints like not enough memory space, not enough database space required, etc., the programs used to be made with only 2 years, 2 digits or to represent the year. That is 1991 was represented as 91, 92, 1992 as 92, etc. So what happened was, whenever you type a year in terms of the 2 digits, 92 for example, system will automatically add it as 1992 and then keep it in the system. In some programs, the system was carrying only the two values, that is 91 or 92 or 93. Now this led to an issue in 1999 because the world realized that the next year would be 2000 and addition of one number to 99 will make it 100, which the system will not be able to accommodate. This then resulted in all the companies having to give contracts to change the system from recording the year as 2 digit year to 4 digit year. This was called Y2K by many in the computer world. Y2K is year 2000. Again, another thing that was in the minds of people was whether February will have 28 days or 29 days in the year 2000. So to get answers to this question, we will just see how it goes along, and towards the end of this episode I am sure you will be able to understand the complexities that people were dealing with then and how it was resolved. The first question that people had in mind was whether 2000 was a leap year or not. For the uninitiated, a leap year is one where the year, if divisible by 4 and giving no reminder, is a leap year. But this is not the whole story, as was realized by many of the programmers and coders and also the companies in 1999. So what is the whole formula for deciding whether February will have 28 days or 29 days? We will see. First, you have to divide it by 4. If you find there is no reminder, that means the number, that is year, is divisible by 4. So it's supposed to be leap year. But the second step that you need to do is to see whether it is divisible by 100 also. If it is not divisible by 100, then it's a leap year. For example, 1996, 1992, etc. If, however, the number is divisible by 100, then it's not a leap year. This is what is the instruction that was given to all the coders and programmers in 1999. When the program started evolving, soon people realized that this is not the whole of it. Actually, you have one more factor, the factor of 400. So what happens is, if a number, that is a year, is divisible by 4 and also divisible by 100 and yet also divisible by 400, then it's a leap year. So to handle this, the programmers again made efforts to ensure that the year is represented properly in terms of 29 days in February, because 2000 coincidentally was divisible by 4 as well as 100 as well as 400. So this resulted in February having 29 days, and this was kind of agreed to by all the parties. But till the last few months of 1999, many people were not very sure whether February 28 or 29. Hence the heading of this particular episode saying we almost lost one day in February. Hope this have made this small episode has made you understand the way you should calculate a leap year and how it was done in 1999 first time around to put it into the computers. Now of course it is all very simple in the computers in the sense that it always takes 4 digits. You can change it, you can modify it and do whatever is required. Should you find this video informative and educative, kindly pass it on to your friends and relatives. Please press on the like button and subscribe to this channel if you like this. For doubts, queries and suggestions, please do contact me at ramkbharosay@gmail.com. Thanks.